Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. In today's video, I am going to be doing a haul video. This is going to be a makeup haul, and I'm going to be showing you all some makeup products that I got from ShopMissA. If you don't know what ShopMissA is, it is basically a website, and they also have stores in Texas. It's like small little stores where they sell makeup for $1 each. So it's basically a $1 makeup product, makeup brand. The last time that I went to Texas, I made sure that I got some stuff from ShopMissA. I will put the website down below in the description box. They sell $1 makeup products, really good products as well, and they're cruelty free. They are based out of Texas, so they have a few stores in some of their Texas malls. I did open up the package, and this is what it is, but I didn't like open everything and really look into detail. But it came in this package right here. Out of the package, it was wrapped in some like purple tissue paper with a MissA sticker on there, and it was also wrapped in some bubble wrap as well, but I got rid of that. But this is everything that's wrapped inside of this tissue paper, and then it comes with a sheet of stuff that you bought. Plus I need to kind of clean out of my makeup bag and stuff and get rid of like old products and stuff. So this is actually another reason why I went on there and just stocked up on a couple of things. That way I can kind of get rid of stuff that I don't want or don't use or that's old that I currently have.
So this is all of the stuff. This is all the stuff I got in here. I'm just gonna show you all one by one what I got.
So the first thing I got is a new beauty blender. I just got a standard black one. They call theirs Wonder Blender. But yeah, I just got a standard black one. Then it has the instructions on the back. So yeah, I just got a new beauty blender. I have one, but it's starting to get dirty and it's starting to wear out, so I got a new beauty blender. I also got some foundations. So here are the two foundations that I got. This is the AOA Studio Biddable Satin Foundation. I got one in 310 Amber and one in 309 Honey Beige. So the reason I got two is because I wasn't sure of what my color would be, especially looking like online. I can't really match my foundation shade, so I got two just to be on the safe side, and I'm gonna kind of play around with this stuff. Also, I am gonna do a video where I do a full face of makeup using these products, so make sure to be on the lookout for that as well. So I did get two of these. I'm really curious to try these out, and I'm really excited that I got these two. So we're gonna see if they match my skin. Hopefully they do. The next product I got was the AOA Studio Natural Finish. This is a liquid concealer. I have plenty of concealers, but since I plan on doing a full face of these products, I decided to get each of everything that I usually use on my day-to-day makeup routine. So I got this concealer to kind of like highlight when I do my foundation and do my eyebrows and all of that stuff. So this is what I got. The next products I got is I got a primer spray and a setting spray. So here's the primer spray. This is the AOA Studio brand as well, I believe. Yes, it is. So here's the primer spray. And then here is the setting spray. I kind of want to open these and see what they look like.
So the primer spray just comes in a blue little bottle. It's for smooth, even skin. I'm gonna open up the setting spray. Pretty sure it doesn't look much different than besides the color of the container. And then here is the setting spray.
The next product that I got is I got some AOA Studio Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. And I have plenty of makeup wipes, but you can't go wrong with getting more. So I just got some AOA Studio makeup wipes. This is rose water and it is 15 wipes in here. And I also got 2 packs of earrings because I've been looking for like some stud earrings to wear my other piercings and stuff like that. So I got 2 packs of these, which got gold, pearls, and then like the standard stud earrings. So I got 2 packs of those. I also got some super strip lash adhesive. It's a brush on and it's by the AOA Studio as well. It's waterproof, hyperallergenic, and it is no irritation. It is clear. So this is some lash glue. I recently just bought some lash glue because I wanted to wear some lashes to work and realized I didn't have any, so I just stopped by like the dollar store and got some. But now I have 2. And then I also have some lashes on today. It's been a while since I've worn some lashes, so it took a little minute to learn how to put them back on again, but I got them on. They look cute. And the next product I got is the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil. So I got a new brow pencil for my eyebrows.
Then I got a couple more products in this package right here, so I'm going to open this up.
So I did get some AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. So this is the size of it. I did want the banana powder that they had on there, but they were sold out, so I just got whatever I could. I do have a setting powder, but it's the e.l.f. I think it's e.l.f. setting powder, but I'm pretty much out of that, so I have this AOA Studio setting powder. And this one is, doesn't say, Soft Light. I did get a new liquid liner. I still have my liquid liner that I got from ShopMissA a while back, but I think that one is starting to dry out, and I haven't done like a wing liner or anything like that in a while. I have done so a couple days ago, but it was like the first in a long time, so I got a new liner, and this is by the brand Amuse. I think that's how you say it. I believe so, not sure. I did get a new mascara. I got the AOA Studio Skinny Under Lash Mascara. So this is what it looks like. And this is in the color, I believe it's just in the color black. It doesn't say. Yeah, it's in the color black. I got me some diamond lip gloss from the AOA Studio brand. So I just got some lip gloss. And then I got this AOA Studio Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Drama. I just think this is so pretty. Like, look at that color. Like, it's just, I don't know, it just screams royal to me. And it's like a nice purple midnight type of color. I don't know, I just think this is really pretty, and I can't wait to put it on and see what it looks like. But this, I can't wait to put this on. I did get an eyeshadow, an AOA Studio Velour eyeshadow. And then I got a AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter. And I have like some liquid highlighters that I got from Miss A before that I still have those. But I wanted to get another one. And this is what it looks like. So can't wait to try this. My last 2 products I got is the AOA Studio eyelashes. Now, I really like their eyelashes. They do sell them on their site for $1 each. Like $1 for, you know, each pair that you want to get. But I bought a 6-pack of lashes, and the Alexis style. So I got a pack, and I think they're 6 pack, like I said. This is in the style Alexis. I have worn eyelashes before from Miss A, which is why I know that they are really good. And then my last product that I got is I got a new set of makeup brushes. I've had a set of makeup brushes before from Miss A, but since I've had them for so long, they're starting to like wear out, so I decided to get some new ones. They do sell makeup brushes individually on their site for $1 each, but I end up getting the pack of makeup brushes. I end up getting a set of makeup brushes that come with the case, so I think that was like $10, which isn't bad. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. They're all wrapped up individually in this set, in this case. So I'm gonna take out one of the brushes, and so I just got this. It's like matte black. It has cute little hot pink writing on it, and it's super soft, super soft. So I can't wait to use my makeup brushes. Hopefully these last me for a good while. Those are all of the products that I got from ShopMissA. It has been like a minute since I've even bought anything on Miss A. I love their products. Everything is $1 unless they're like in set, but they have really good stuff on there. It's good quality for it to be $1 each. They are animal cruelty free, so they don't test on animals at all. So that's another really good thing I like about ShopMissA. And I've done a ShopMissA haul on my channel before, so make sure to go through my playlist, my beauty playlist, and it will be in there if you want to check out my ShopMissA haul from a while ago. So yeah, that was all of my products that I got. Let me count how many products I actually bought.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
About 20 products from ShopMissA. So here is a list of the stuff that I purchased. I cannot wait till I do my full face of ShopMissA products, so be on the lookout for that, because it's going to be a really fun, exciting, and interesting video to do and for y'all to see. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment below any other videos you would like to see me do. I would be more than happy to film what you all want to see, what you all request. And yeah, I have more videos coming up soon, so make sure to comment, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.